How to move photo from files to gallery iPhone. Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you move photos from file to gallery. To do it so, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to open the Files app, navigate to a folder in a file where your photos are stored. You could either tap each photo individually to select it or use select option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen, and select all the photos in the folder. You do it so, look for the share icon, which often appears as a square with an upward facing arrow. Depending on whether you selected one or multiple photo, you will see an option like save image or save images. You want to click that out. Once you've done it so, the selected photos will be saved to both the camera app and the photo app on your iPhone. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.